Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a treat bag here from Espace Tricot, and this is at least my third, maybe more, package from them. I think it's my third though, and I really, really love them. They have a podcast, so you can find them on YouTube. If you go to Espace Tricot, which is E-S-P-A-C-E, and then T-R-I-C-O-T, and I will try to remember to link it below because I want you to see how you can get all these goodies. All right, let's see, I dropped some yarn over here. All right, so they do kits. They're a yarn store, and they are located in Canada. You might ask what part of Canada, and Montreal. I couldn't remember. And their prices are Canadian, so for us in the US, that's a good thing because it might say it's $60, but for us, it's not that price, it's less. And they have free shipping if you get a certain amount of Canadian dollars, so that's even free shipping for a lesser amount for US dollars. So I really like them. Everything that I have seen them show has been so classy and just so nice. And I get so excited when I see their stuff. I want to knit it up too. And I've knit a couple of things of theirs. You guys may have even heard of the Turtle Dove, which is a pattern that's going around a lot right now on Ravelry. If you're into knitting, you probably have heard of it if you haven't made it yourself. And I am working on it. I have one on the needles. I also finished the Stoneham poncho. Oh my gosh, I love that. And that was a kit from them. And I think I have another kit from them upstairs. And I know I did the rug, or I'm working on that one actually right now. And so that's really nice. They have that. But when I saw that they had a couple of these kits in stock now, I had to get them. So one kit that I got is called In the Loop. And I don't know if you can see these colors, but they are gorgeous. There's this mustard yellow and an off-white and a black. And this is like a really pale pink and a gray. And it is going to make a cowl. And if it is their design, they will include the pattern. And you can find most of their patterns on Ravelry for free anyway, but it's nice to have a hand or printed copy. So this is In the Loop, and the yarn that they sent will make one of these. So I think it's so much fun, and I love this pattern. I think it's just gorgeous. So I'm excited about using it, and this yarn is really pretty. This is Rowan Alpaca Classic, and it's got a nice halo on it. I know you can't read that there. That's a little better. 25 grams, and it's just super nice. Maybe it tells me here what it is that we'll use. It's 57% alpaca, 43% cotton, and it says you need 2 balls each of the main color and contrast 1, and then 1 ball of contrast 2, 3, and 4, and you will have minimal leftovers of 2, 3, and 4. So my main color is Noir 103. The contrast color is Snowflake White. Contrast color 2 is Golden Girl, 3 Soft Satin, and 4 Feather Gray. And it takes 4mm US size 6, 40-inch circular needles, and 4.5 millimeters US 7, 40-inch circular needles. Or whatever it takes you to get gauge, of course. So I am excited. I love that it comes with everything you need except for the needles, but it comes with all the yarn and the pattern to make this beautiful cowl. So I will get that on the needles probably pretty soon. Sorry, I know that and then, oh my goodness, this kit I was super excited about. So this is a lot like the Stoneham poncho, only it is 2 colors, and it is called, I'm going to butcher it probably, Orphe. I don't know, but this is a kit that they have available right now on their site. At least they did have it right now. Hopefully they still do when this is posted. And it takes 50 gram balls. You need, depending on the size, 8, 9, or 10 balls of the black heather and 2 or 3 balls of the white. So I got one of the, I think I got the, I'm doing the size extra large, or I got enough for the extra large. So I have 10 black heathers and 10 whites. Or no, sorry, 3 whites and 10 black heathers. And they gave us measurements. So let's see. I don't remember how I figured out what size, but it is, and I said it was a poncho. I lied. It's not a poncho. It is a full-blown sweater. And it has beautiful sleeves, and I am excited. I don't even know if I knew it was a sweater. I probably did when I ordered it, but I had forgotten. I thought it was a poncho because this does look similar to the poncho, but it is going to be a sweater, and I am super excited. So that is really pretty. Oh, and the yarn that I'm using that came in the kit is Lopi. Littell Lopi. Not used that before, not even purchased it, not seen it before, but I am excited. I know I have a Lopi for the rug, but it's great. And this is one of their patterns. What do they call them? I forget. And they're doing a knit along through the end of February, but I think it's called the Chanam patterns or something. It's color work, and it's the Stoneham pattern is one of them, and this is another one. And if you have finished projects, you can enter them. I think it is finished projects. I don't know. I'm not a very good storyteller about that because that's not what my video is about right now. My video right now is just about the wonderful purchase and the kits. But they do have a knit along, and if you watch one of their videos, it will tell you more information, or if you go to them on Ravelry, they have a group, and it will have all of the details. But I know I'm entering my Stoneham. I haven't entered it yet, but I need to enter it, and if I get this one done, I'm going to enter this too, and this is the Bromont Mitts, and this is a paid-for pattern on Ravelry, but if you purchase it, they will send the pattern to you. So yes, this is the pattern. And I think that it includes a Ravelry pattern too. I don't remember. I think they said that if you purchase it, you can get the Ravelry pattern, but I don't know where that would be. Unless it tells me on here somewhere. I don't see it. But here is what it is. It is going to be these cute mittens. And they have different colors for different things, and I know that they have the poncho, they have mitts, they have a hat, they have a scarf, they have slippers, poncho, hat, scarf, mitts, slippers. That might be it. And they're just all beautiful color work. Very similar to this. They're all by the same designer, who is Diana Walla. And she designed them especially for Espace Tricot, and that is why the pattern is included for that. If it's a pattern that they didn't design for themselves or have designed for them, then that pattern they will not include in the kit. But if it's a pattern that they designed or had designed for them, they will include the pattern in their kits. And they have wonderful kits. I mean, these mitts, I have just one skein of each of these beautiful colors. This is by Rauma, I don't know. Fanul, R-A-U-M-A is the name. And there's just numbers for the colorways, but it's 414, 4886, and 403, it looks like. So, and maybe it will tell me on here if I look. Nope, just the numbers. Color A, 4886, color B 414, and color C 403. So it doesn't really have the names of the colors, but it's like a charcoal, or I'd say it's a black, a heathered black, a fuchsia, and maybe an oatmeal. And it's just beautiful. So I am super excited about their kits. I can't get enough of Espace Tricot, and I just love them. The Chalet Collection, that's what it is, Chalet Collection. So if you search Chalet Collection under Espace Tricot, you will find them, and I think that you will not be disappointed because they have beautiful, if you like color work and you're into knitting, you're gonna like it. And I don't even know which one I want to cast on first. Well, I might cast on these first because I want to get it in for the February drawing or whatever if I can. If I could win some of their yarn, whoo-wee. But gosh, they're all so pretty. I just want them all. I want to knit them all right now. But I know I can't do that, but I love them. So I'm excited, super happy. And, oh, that's not all I got. Those are the kits that I got. I also, it came with, and it seems like it always might, it comes with a little stitch marker, and it says made with love or something like that. Made with love, and then on the other side it has a little handprint. I don't know if you can see that. Cute. So there is that, and then I ordered some cute buttons. So these are twill and print buttons, and I ordered a twill and print bag, which I have, and yeah, both of these are from Twill and Print. So let me show you. This is one of the, it says warm and fuzzy, and there's a little chain that holds them together, kind of like, I don't know if you, I remember having my gloves were held together and I stuck them through my jacket to the other side so I wouldn't lose them when I was a kid, and it's kind of like that. So those are super cute. I love that they have the little chain, and then it has the pen. And then I got one more pen, which is a row counter. I thought this might be handy. And it says just one more, but then I don't know how it works yet. You can, oh, you can just move the little things here and it will move to show you how many rows you have or what row you're on. And it looks like it goes up to 99. Yes, it does. So that's kind of cool. So it's a handy little pen. You can keep it on one of your project bags if you wanted to, or wherever you want. You could even pin it on your shirt if you were so inclined, and just kind of keep track of what row you're on if you were doing something. Yeah, I thought it was kind of cool. And I really didn't get a chance to look at it. You know, I wasn't sure when I was looking online, but I really like it. I had no idea it was so big. But I mean, that's a pretty good. It's about 1 3/4 inches in diameter. So, I mean, it's a pretty big button, and I like it. So there you go. So that is what I got from Espace Tricot this time. I'm hopefully not going to be shopping there for a little bit because I need to be making some of the kits that I have. I really am trying to resist. I'm just not doing a very good job yet. I'm doing an okay job. I'm not going to call myself out completely and make myself feel bad because I shop when I'm stressed, and I have been stressed a little bit this year. And by a little bit, I mean a lot of it. My son has been a struggle right now. But, you know, I love him, and that's the biggest thing that matters right now. And he's okay. So he's safe, and he's okay, and I love him to pieces. And, you know, all the struggles are real, and I wasn't even going to talk about that. But I'm just telling you that that's part of why I have been shopping a little bit more than I'd want to, because that's what I do when I'm stressed. I used to eat a lot. Now I shop a lot. I used to shop too, but now I don't eat so much, but I shop as much. But goodness, when you get these wonderful things, it's hard not to anyway, and then add some stress on there, and I'm spent. So I'm going to try not to go to their website because that will prevent me purchasing anything if I just don't even look. But I just love their stuff. I cannot help it. So, and I'm not going into debt or anything. I don't want you guys to think that no, I pay cash. I get it done, but you know, it'd be nice to have a little nest egg waiting for me if I get to retire. Spending money like this is going to prevent that, isn't it? I know better, but you know, sometimes we don't always do better. And yeah, there's worse things I could do, I am sure. So, oh well, at least I will have fun as I am working. I can come home to some fun knitting. And there's a nice little handwritten note. It says, "Thank you, Tammy, for your order. Hope you enjoy and happy knitting." So that's really cool. I mean, it's nice that they include a handwritten note. Just kind of makes you feel good. And their shipping is really fast, even though I've heard that Canada is in a strike for their I don't know if they call it a post office there, but their postal service is under a strike, and they aren't sending packages out or mail out every day. It's like you're on a rotation. So even with that, I think I got this in a week or less for sure. So I'd say that's pretty darn good. So thanks for watching, guys, and check them out. Bye-bye.